Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. Una don't know how the thing go. So right about now, as you guys can see, me stress out, can't deal with today. So people, from the other day I've been asking you guys what it is that you guys want to see me do on the channel, and Lord God, nobody like wanna comment, you know. But guess what, guys? Y'all keep commenting the story times that I've already done. And the same topic them una give me over and over and over and over and over again. Sometimes I have to think to myself and I wonder if I'm me or if I uno. I me or I uno. So right now I'm trying to open YouTube on the phone to see the topics. Okay, yes, thank you Jesus. Finally, I don't know what I'm going with the phone here. But the YouTube finally open. So let's go on the official. And I'm gonna find some topics that you guys wanted me to do and see if I have not yet done that, and if not, then I will for sure do the story time that you guys asked me to do. But guys, I have a story to give you guys right now anyways, and I'm gonna give you guys that story right now. Wait, how my face looks so. My face looks weird. Yeah, it does look weird. I was trying to give you guys better lighting, so I was using the small ring light and not the big ring light because it look weird though. Yeah, that's what I'm for me. Just open this up a little bit. Yeah, that's better, right? Instead of the light. So let's just use the natural lighting for now instead of using the ring light, because obviously the ring light was giving me this look that I don't think I like. So let's use the natural light. So yeah guys, I'm gonna give you guys a story time about somebody. Yeah, cause you know me ever come for you come talk to the people in business, don't it? So let's just jump straight into it. So this story time is about a guy that approached me recently that said he was single, and I further learned that he was not. So the man lied to me, people, for months. Lied to me, you know. Yeah, I make me feel like him been single all along when nothing ever goes. So the boy is a dirty, dirty, dirty boy. Give me that toilet. What the fuck? My phone wet up, my pum pum wet up. This no look right. I want to go on in here. I wet up. I wet up. Thanks. People, back to story time. So anyways, yeah. So guys, I'm telling the story now. So I told myself that I was not gonna date anybody for some time being because truth be told, I was waiting on somebody special, because you don't know, say, after you've been in relationships and you've been hurt over and over, it kind of take a toll upon you. So you tell yourself, say, yo, like, you're not going to date nobody because you can't bother with that. Well, it was the same thing for me. However, I saw this guy, and the truth is, me did like the boy. From I see the boy, I like the boy. Every fiber in my being start click and attack up and go. I not ask. From I see the boy, I pump pum wet up. I start jump, pay things. I not ask Jesus. Me like the boy. So people, let her in for me. Why shouldn't I stay in her room? So people, I got some boom bam 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 now, you know, people. And the guy did like my back too, but him never really approached me. You know, like how some man, no, go to your room, please. Me I do a YouTube video. You know, like how some man, go and take one sweet out of the fridge. You know, like how some man will just come to you straightforward and tell us to them like you ray. This guy did not do that. He saw me, and you know what, him always say people talk about me, him follow me on Instagram and stuff like that, but because of how I act on the media, he wasn't sure he had a chance with me. However, when I saw the guy, I just liked him. The way him stand up, the way him look, him body look ready, him cute, him have hair. I don't know what the little thing them will tip my clock. Yeah, the boy have them things they are going for him. So me now say praise Jesus, me find somebody. People, long story short, you know say, me and the boy start talk. No, listen, this boy a good piece of boy. Oh, when I say good piece of boy, I mean good piece of boy. The boy did it, the boy did it, the boy did it. Like, if I want him to go pick up something for me, him go. If I want him to help me with my kids, him do it. If I want something, him get it for me. He's just that, him just good. Man, I go hide my mouth going and talk. He's a good little piece of man for have. But people, when Mr. Boy lie, I mean boy, lie and wicked bad. Lie. So I'm going to boom now, people. And I tell myself, say, yeah, I find a nice, clean, good man. No, I not ask Christ. Anyway, me I go. If me I go a Mandeville, I take up my phone and I make sure it be like, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. I phone, I ring to the side, you know. I phone, I ring to the store. And the boy answer the phone and I say, be out here, say, and the boy tell me, say, in the Mandeville, and tell me, say, they are in yard, people. And me with my nice thing, good self, no true. Me want to the good body boy, no people. Anyway, me I go to tell the boy anything. Me I go tell the boy. Me and the boy they on the phone like Bonnie and Clyde. Nobody not in love like me and the boy. People who don't know what I'm saying. After all me with my mad self gang fall in a big love. The boy not do nothing in people, but make me feel like me and him alone there. Cause me said to him, say, look, right now, me not gonna tell no lie now. You see, true, sometimes say me is a big woman, and I want to date a big man. Me don't want to date no man when me want F-U-C-K. If you can't come give me my S-E-X, no, not at all. I want a man where, when him come S-E-X-M-E, him can just stay over my yard and not go nowhere. All 3 weeks, 4 weeks, him there in my yard until we cuss. And him go on a feel me, I go cool off and come back as some me want my relationship. Me don't want a little boy we sex today and then him have to go do this for him mother and go do that for him mother. Cause him mother we put him out and me can't work with them that type of relationship. Them not ask Christ. So me now flick on my eyelash, boom back flick and go stop bula bam balam bam. Yeah, people, as some me a go on. Things that the boy and my man, me say if you ever see picture and video on my phone and me I snap up and take up and I say, yeah, me fine man, a pity on the know say a people man. What me say? A people man, people, yeah. The boy a big, nice, clean, good relationship I go on to. Massa! Oh, when me say the boy give me everything I want to them, I mean say the boy give me everything. So one day now when the people, because you know say me and the boy good. I know everywhere the boy will go hang out and them things there. I'm a youth like that. I'm a dog. I'm a man. So I'm going to boom bam bam back flick now. Meeting people there. Me and everybody see my friend and so. So him have one family member. We have one YouTube channel too. And I subscribe to the channel. So one day now I see him family member. I'm not going to too much information. I see him family member go so boom bam 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 flick and post a video. People make a sip to that one like this at. If you're not thirsty, pause the video, run, go and go drink something and don't skip out the ads. Yeah. So I got some boom now. And the boy, family member, post up a YouTube video. He might intro the video. So like him would I say, hey, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's blah 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 blah. I am here with my girlfriend, my brother, and my sister-in-law. And I was like, then after me then was me is a twin. If you're there with your sister-in-law and me sit down, right, so or right, so me sit down. Me never know you been a twin. Or me never know me been a twin, so where the sister-in-law come from. So my brain now start get curious. My brain start get curious, people, because all in the back of my brain now, you know. Girl I get born. Somebody can't get crushed. Somebody can't get somebody get popcorn. So me go so boom now, people. I look over my shoulder, so I'm just take up my cellular. Bing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. When the phone answer, I say, who there your yard? Nobody. Where you there? Mandeville. So who are the sister-in-law in the video because me sitting right as so. And the only one of me God did make so is who? People, who do not know what say? Who do not know what say? Me get to find out say. Top man been have a big thinking relationship all along. Goody live with the goody and her man live together, people. It's a whole relationship. It's a whole relationship these step in a. You ever walk and step in a dude before and it stink and you know smell it until somebody say that you step in a shit, you're like, Jesus Christ, what's up with that shit? Yeah, I summer feel. I never feel so in my whole life. And that's one of the reasons them why we must be careful, ladies, because these men out here, them not have no filter and them lie, and we have to just be freaking careful. Come on, I'm not gonna tell no lie, me like the boy. I know I still like the boy. And just because I stop care about a female thing, but I still talk to him. But at that point in time, how I felt about being betrayed, you know, you say stuff, you do stuff, and then, you know, and blah, blah, blah. But anyways, that is how I found out that I was not even the side chick. Because first things first, you tell side chick the truth. Yeah. You're supposed to tell your side girl the truth. If you have a woman, your side girl supposed to know, say, yeah, him have a woman, yes, the side piece. Allow me to tell her true. People, remember, if you have any story that you want to hear, put it in the bottom of the video, put it at the comment section and say, story time, story time. I love you guys. Big up on a nice skin, good self. Oh, and this outfit is going to be doing a lot of videos today. So let's see video them just start post and post and post. Don't say, oh, damn, saying that this bitch, man, no. A YouTube day today, I'm just filming videos. Mwah. Love you guys. Peace out. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tag somebody under the video. Screen record, please put it on your status, and don't watch the ads. Watch all the ads. I fucked up. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.